So hello everyone, yes, I'm in all black. It is freezing cold and the car behind me is all black as well. I'm basically going to be doing a front splitter replacement on this 3 Series, which is going to look very nice. Now the owner of the car, basically a family member, and well, their front splitter has seen much better days. And this is a carbon fiber one that they're going to actually get changed over to the plastic ones that you get off eBay. Can't remember what the name of the plastic is, but it looks to be fairly good condition. I'll go grab it very shortly to show you all. I'm just going to put it on hyperlapse and just crack on with the work. I want to get this done as quick as I can, and that way everything's all good and you guys get to have a nice short quick video, and I'll kind of go through the actual front splitter, discuss how it looks towards the end of the video. So everyone, from here, now that I've removed the wheels, just take off these 8mm bolts there, all the way across over here as well. So you got quite a few. One there, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then you've also got them underneath, which I'm hoping are easy to remove because this also does have this remnants of a splitter on here. So you got to do that on both sides, and then we can do the bolts that hold on the bumper, which is underneath here. There's 2 underneath here. There's 2 bolts, a few up at the top, and I think once you remove all those from the bottom, you'll be all set to go. So that's how you remove the bumper. There's actually 2 10mm that I had to take off as well. And in terms of disconnecting these washer jet covers, in essence, you just gotta pull it out, and then this is clipped. This is basically clipped up. So you pull this out with your fingers, hold it out, and you just undo these clips. And that's all you have to do, and it just disconnects from over there. There's a couple of bolts that I had to remove from underneath the splitter, which was a bit more awkward because I had to break some of the splitter and stuff to get it out. Then just disconnect the fog lights, and that's it. Voila. It's T25s at the top, so Torx 25, which if you're familiar with BMWs, that's very common. Now I'm going to just remove the old splitter and fit on the new one, hopefully. Let the fun begin. Started to break some of it off already. It's definitely stuck on there. It is fully stuck on. So it looks like they used some kind of tiger seal on here before, which is why it's on so tight. So that's the car done, gone, dusted. Had to quickly rush at the end purely because she basically had to get home. It's actually her anniversary tomorrow, and that was her husband's car. And she wanted to get the front splitter sorted for their anniversary, and I thought that's such a nice thing to do. So really happy I got to do that for them. It's quite last minute, and you know, getting everything sorted. Yeah, it took about 2.5 to 3 hours to get done in total. I'll say you probably could do it in a rush in about 2 hours. It was just a bit harder to do in some ways because removing the old one was a bit more difficult. I had to use the trim removal tool to kind of pry off the old one from the bumper because of the sealant that was used. So don't use Tiger Seal if you ever plan to remove that part ever again, including if it gets damaged. So yeah, I wouldn't recommend using Tiger Seal. Now I hope that I put I think it was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 screws through it all in total. I'll leave a link for the splitter in the description. Now it could have fitted a little bit better. I think because the car is black and the splitter was black, you can't really tell. There's a couple of gaps here and there, but otherwise it looks really nice. I don't think anyone could tell that it's got those gaps, but it's just something to be aware of. Now it is an eBay front splitter and the fitment isn't supposed to be perfect on it, but like I said, it's something to think about. But for the price, I think it's a bargain. But yeah, I hope you all did enjoy that video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Leave your thoughts in the comments below, as well as please consider subscribing to see more from me. But for now, I'll see you all in the next video. Peace out. Bye.